Since 1947, Elcometer has been a world leader in the design, manufacture and supply of inspection equipment to the coatings industry. Offering quality without compromise, our specialist inspection equipment can be purchased in one cost-effective kit, ideal for transporting to and from the inspection site. You can build your own custom kit for your exact inspection requirements, or choose from a number of pre-built product and industry-specific kits, such as the Elcometer Digital Inspection Kit, or the Elcometer Protective Coatings Inspection Kit, plus many more. Elcometer's extensive and versatile range of equipment provides the complete solution for your coating inspection requirements, whatever and wherever they might be. Elcometer inspection kits allow colleagues to work simultaneously on different inspections. And if one gauge requires recertification or repair, inspections of other parameters can continue. With 10 offices and over 100 distributors covering 170 countries, our expertly trained global network is able to provide full after-sales service and technical support wherever you are. And with 44 service centres across the globe, we can offer a quick and easy turnaround for recalibration and repair, reducing downtime. Ideal for paperless quality assurance systems, Elcometer inspection kits come complete with Elcomaster data management software for professional reporting and analysis. And as we constantly develop our gauges, making inspection quicker and easier for you, each time a new feature is released, your equipment can be upgraded for free via Elcomaster. To find out more about Elcometer's range of inspection kits, simply visit elcometer.com or click on one of the links on screen to watch another video in our coatings inspection series. And please, don't forget to subscribe to the Elcometer Inspection Equipment channel to be notified of any new videos.